Iron Kid. Andito ka rin pala.
Hello po, Lolo Tony. Hello po. Say hello. Hi. Hi.
Hi ka.
Say hi. Hi.
Okay.
Tulong na yun
Wow. Nagkita kami ni Iron Kid. Ito ang original na Iron Kid. Kasi pareho kami ng birthday. Pinanganak siya. Nagsimula din si Iron Man.
Hello. Good morning.
Yes. Mami Kim.
Ito, picture.
Nahun. Sakto.
Okay.
This is sa akin lang. Sa akin lang nakatingin yan. So, dito aking pamangkin. Si Joaquin! Good morning, Joaquin! This is Iron Kid! Close up.
Hi mo, hi.
Nahuli rin kita, Joaquin.
Say hi.
Matagal kita iniintay.
Hi. Antok na eh. Naantok eh.
Okay.
Yun na yun.
Tingin ka dun. Nakatingin lang talaga siya kaya.
Hawakan niya.
Hawakan mo dali. Tagalin mo yung man.
Huwag ka maingay ha. Huwag mo sasabihin tito mo ako ha. Secret lang natin, Joaquin ha.
Tanggalin mo.
Okay, sino kasama niyo? Kayo lang. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ikaw nakaganong ka pre oh. Pre, nakaganong ka pre. Ay, ganyan lang eh. Full body na?
Oo.
Yan, full body to.
Yan. Okay.
Yan, parang nag-aaway kayo. Yan.
Yan. Okay.
Talo ko.
Talo ka!
Hindi, nakaganong ka dapat oh. Yung ulo mo yan.
Talo ka! Ano man talo? Lukan tayo!
Yan. Yan. Tatalong ka raw may, tatalong ka pa. Kasi magsasalita ako. Okay. Dito lang kayo dito at napakasaya rito.
Pero rito!
Spider-Man!
Lapit mo lang.
Ako si Nicolay! Pwede ko pag-picture sa inyo.
Okay, good morning sa inyo lahat. At magkakaroon na naman tayo ng adventure ni Iron Man. Oops! Nakikita natin. Hello. Eto, nakikita nyo yung mga tanim ni Iron Man. Yung mga ampalaya natin, medyo malaki na pala. So eto, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, ang mga tanim ni Iron Man na ampalaya. Medyo okay na pala. At pwede na i-harvest mamaya. Meron din tayo rito kalamansi at mga bonsai. Ito yung mga alaga ni Iron Man. Ayan. Ito bonsai sampalok. Ayan. Bonsai palite. Ayan mga bonsai ni Iron Man. Okay, ito yung yan ang mga garden ni Iron Man. So papunta na tayo ng Ayala Car Free. Okay, punta na tayo sa Ayala Car Free Sunday. Okay, gagamitin natin ang ating electric scooter, ang Airlang 10. Ito, sasakay na tayo sa ating Ironman scooter. Okay, let's go. So nandito pala tayo sa Makati, San Antonio Village. At papunta na tayo ng Ayala Car Free Sunday. Good morning! Okay, nandito na tayo sa Buendia, Makati. At papunta na tayo ng Ayala Avenue. Okay, napakagandang umaga at walang ulan at wala pang sikat ng araw. Maganda to. Marami tayong mapapasaya na naman ito ni adventure ni Ironman with a capital A. Okay, let's go! Okay, at patikunan tayo ng Ayala Avenue. Nandito na tayo. Okay, good morning! Ayan, marami tayong kaibigan. Woo! Napakagandang Ayala Avenue dito sa Makati, Philippines. Okay, dito ang starting point ng ating Ayala Car Free Sunday. Woo! Yan. Okay, let's go. Good morning. So ito ang ating jogging. Alright, good morning. This is every Sunday 6 o'clock to 10 a.m. At napakasayang Ayala Car Free Sunday. Ayan ang mga nagja-jogging at nagbabike. Okay, let's go. So kailangan lang natin talaga ang exercise every morning. So eto, may chance na tayo makapag-exercise dito sa Ayala at napaka-safe dito. Pwede ka mag-bike dahan-dahan lang, chill ride lang, hindi pwedeng karera. And also eto, jogging, may fresh air at kung sisikat man ang araw nakaharang ating mga matataas na building. So napakasaya dito, mamaya makikita natin yung mga bata. Woo! Okay, good. Eto. Good. Good morning. Okay, dito muna tayo. Kita natin at beautiful people of Makati. Ayan. So to keep us healthy, kailangan natin mag-jogging. Ayan, kasama pa yung mga pets. Everybody's safe, everybody's happy, everybody's smiling. Smiling kay Ironman. Hey, good morning. This is it. Ayan. Napakarami, napakaganda. Ang ganda niyan. So ito ang mga napakagandang project ng Make It Makati. Dito sa, good morning brother. Dito sa Ayala Avenue. At safe na safe. Jogging ang mga ating mga beautiful people. Yeah. Keep on smiling. Good morning brother. Yes. Okay ha. Kita natin silang kukunan ng video. Good morning. Smiling. Iba-ibang klaseng bike din na dito, napakaganda. Okay, very friendly lahat ang ating mga bikers. Chill ride lang para safe tayo. Hindi pwede rin yung mabilis. Good morning. Yeah, mabati sila. Good morning. Yan, ito. Kaibigan natin to. Ito. Good morning. Ayun. Ride safe. Okay. Ano, binibindi tayo na ito. Ayan, kaibigan natin lahat yan. Keep on smiling. Okay, good morning. Ayan, makikita nyo, lahat ng dumadaan naka-smart. Nakikita nila si Iron Man. Okay. Good morning, brother. Good morning. Yeah, everybody's smiling. Okay, napakasaya talaga dito, oh. Okay, tama. Lahat yan, mag-i-smile. Hello, good morning, brother. Good morning.
Gusto ko sa'yo
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wow. Beautiful. Okay.
Good morning, Iron Man.
Good morning.
Good morning, Iron Man.
Good morning. Woo. Yeah, everybody's happy now. And got to be healthy.
Selfie ako sa'yo
Oh,
para.
yeah, sure.
Ha?
Okay, this is my friend. What's your name, sir?
I'm Rick. Mag-selfie tayong dalawa.
Ayan, si Brother Rick. Dito kami. Kaibigan natin to si Brother Rick. Okay, selfie kami ha. Woo!
Kami, ayan.
Yes.
Iron Man.
Iron Man with the capital A.
Ay, wala.
Oy,
Sorry.
wala. So, napakasaya rito, Brother Rick. Dami din kaibigan natin. Ayan. This is Brother Rick. Kaibigan natin.
Ayan.
Yes, good morning.
Iron Man. Okay,
Yes,
wow.
Iron Man with the capital A.
Okay.
Oy. Thank you very much, brother.
Thank you. Isa pa.
Okay.
Parang... Okay. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Ano? This one.
Napakalaki.
So, hanggang dun. Kita nyo, napakaganda ng ating umaga ngayon. Everybody's smiling. Good morning, brother. Yes. That's my friend. Okay, that's that. Yes. Hey, my friend, good morning. Iron Man Pinoy with the capital A. Ito yung ating mga kaibigan. Pista. Hello. Jogging pa. Good morning, sister. Ayan, kaibigan natin. Okay. Hoy, good morning. Eto,
Happy birthday, Iron Man.
huling-huli. Happy birthday. Eto, this is my brother Arnel of Makati Palanan. Okay, good morning, brother.
Good morning and happy birthday.
Ow!
Hi, Dad, happy
Nahuli tayo. Happy birthday daw. Thank you very much, Arnel. Woo! Hey, brother. Hey. Yes, this is my friend. Hey, what's your name, man?
Byron.
Myron, this is Myron. Good morning, Myron.
Hello, guys.
Yeah, have a nice day. Woo! Guys, napakarami natin kaibigan. Binati pa tayo ni Brother Arnel. Woo! Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, yes.
Happy 3,000.
Tayo. So that's it. Napakasaya talaga rito. Keep on smiling, everybody. Smile. And, hey, good morning. Good morning. Okay, mga friends natin, mga papapicture kami ha. kaibigan natin, mga pumipitik. Ayan oh, si Brother Red, tsaka
This is my entry, vlog entry, 100
million thousand.
Woo, good morning! Ayan ang mga magagali pumipitik dito sa Ayala Council. Good morning!
100 million thousand.
Sticker. Wala po ba kayo pa sticker?
Mga kaibigan, wala pa tayong sticker at medyo busy pa tayo sa ating...
Shout out kay sponsor ng si kinakalawang na Iron Man.
Yun!
May sponsor sticker.
Ayan. Pakinggan nyo yung sinasabi ni Brother Red ha. Importante ah.
Bago na yung magsama, Iron Man tas Rusty.
Rusty Iron Man.
Thank you very much. Yan ang mga happy friends natin. Good morning, brother!
TikTok muna.
Ikot muna ako at medyo mabigat itong dala ko. Bakal to.
Itutok mo doon, yun po ang bago namin pitikero, si Rusty Jean Pornography.
Ayun! Panonoorin ko yan.
Rusty Jean Pornography. Follow niyo po.
May ano ka na ba? Viva Max account.
Ayan ha. Okay.
Ano ba na ang pangalan?
Sundan mo yung Viva Max ko.
Okay. Good morning. How are you? So that's it. Scooter muna tayo mga kaibigan at iikot tayo. Okay. Let's go. Yan ang mga happy friends natin dito sa Ayala Avenue. Ating napakagandang Philippine flag. Okay. This is it. Nandito tayo sa Manila Peninsula. Woo! Beautiful. Medyo yan na yung araw. At napakasiyap rin at napakarami. Woo! So, woo! Napakasaya talaga dito sa Ayala Car Free Sunday. Okay. Mamaya makikita natin yung mga kaibigan natin kids. So, siguro nandun sila sa Ayala Triangle, sa garden ng Ayala Triangle. Okay, dito muna tayo sa mga nagbabayad at nag-jogging, mga friends natin. Woo! Thank you very much. Good morning. Okay. Woo! Yung mga friends natin at napakarami. Woo! So yan ang mga kaibigan natin. Mag-jogging muna tayo. Woo! Okay, start jogging. Okay. Okay. Jogging pa rin tayo. Hey, that's my friend. Woo. Good morning, my friends. Woo. Woo. Okay. Okay, jogging kami. Ito yung mga kaibigan natin, my friends. Woo. Good morning. Yeah. Okay. Woo. Thank you.
Nice picture, oh.
So that's it. Woo. So napakasaya lahat, everybody smiling. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Woo, good morning. Keep on smiling. Have a nice day. Okay. That's it. Medyo naka-unwind na tayo at napakasaya talaga rito. Hello. Ayala Video Makati. Okay. Thank you very much sa mga naging guest natin. At talagang napakasaya. Woo! Okay. Yung mga friends natin. Woo! Napakasaya. At kahit nagja-jogging sila, busy. Nakikipag-selfie pa rin. At checking my picture. At napakaganda sa akin yan. Napakaganda sa puso na pinipicturean tayo ng ating mga kaibigan. Okay. Ayan. Woo! Napakasaya. Daming tao ngayon. Napakaraming tao ngayon. All friendly people, all walks of life. Yes, everybody is greeting Iron Man. Okay, he's my friend. Hey, man.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good friend. Good
Good
morning.
friend. Yeah. What country are you from?
USA.
Wow, USA.
Yes.
Me too. I am also the Pinoy Captain America and
Yes.
also Iron Man with the
Yes.
capital A.
Uh-huh.
Having a good time here in Manila.
Tony, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's your friend.
It's my son Anthony.
Wow. Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a big fan.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Big fan
It's a
of
really
yours.
nice day and have to stay fit. Ah.
So yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I hope you watch my YouTube channel, Video Moko channel.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, my friend.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Ah, that's my friend. I forgot your name.
This is Anthony
This is Anthony, just like my name, Anthony also.
and Alex.
Yeah, Alex.
Yes.
Woo, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Brother Anthony and Alex.
Can we take a picture?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to take a picture.
Okay.
Okay, this is my friend Anthony. I'm Iron Man with the capital A. Just like that.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too.
Woo. Yeah. So that's one of my friend Alex and Anthony. Yeah. Woo. Okay, ano?
Boom!
Woo. It's my friend Bruce Lee. Yeah. Good morning, brother.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Ayala.
How you doing, man?
Yes, this morning it's Sunday, car free.
Okay.
Yan, alright.
At talaga napakasaya rito pag Sunday
Siyempre.
together with our friends.
Yes,
Masaya.
Sir Tony.
Yeah. Kailangan natin ng physically fit, jogging,
yeah,
at saka
tama,
yung friendship. Friendship.
Shout out tayo dito.
Ito, ay kaibigan natin.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Stay safe. Bye.
Thank you very much, my friend.
Alright. Ingat, Ted.
Yan.
Ingat. Bye.
Okay, that's my friend Bruce Lee. Strong. Hurrah. Okay, andito yung mga kasama natin. Mga Paranaque! Woo! Hindi naman ako sumisigaw, nagpapaliwanag lang. Okay, maraming salamat, brother. Anong shoutout nyo? Ito si brother na to.
Pangalan. Neil at
Ito, walang pangalan. Kaya.
Neil. Gilbert.
Gilbert. pero,
Arthur.
Woo!
Arthur.
Solid.
Solid.
Yan. Ito, mga friends natin to. Paranaque. Ano mga titigas. Titiburo. Kami, uwi na kami. Maglalaba kami. Thank you, brother. Ride safe. Woo! Thank you, napakasaya.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
See you again.
Okay.
Okay.
Woo!
Hi, sir.
Thank you. So, yan ang mga kaibigan natin. Nagkita rin kami dyan sa Manila Coffee. Ayan, Paranaque, oh. Yung mga friendship magkakasama. At early morning, masayang-masaya na sila. Okay. Woo! Napakasaya, marami tayong kaibigan dito sa Ayala Car Free Sunday with Iron Man with a capital A. Ah!
Hello po.
Okay, this is
Subscribe
my
po
friend.
kayo.
Woo! Selfie kami ni brother, ano? What's your name, man? Yes.
Jigs po, biker jigs.
Yo, this is Biker Jigs. One,
Hey!
a friend of mine here in Ayala Car Free. How are you, Jigs?
I am okay. Medyo nalalaspag na kasi. First time ko nandito eh.
You got a nice bike there. Okay, have a nice day.
Okay po, thank you po.
Okay.
Let's go! Kadugi! Pow!
It's a nice guy, Jigs.
Thank you,
Alright,
po.
Jigs. Hey, ride safe. Got a nice bike
Thank you.
there. Woo.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Ride safe. Ah.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, this is my friend,
Don.
Brother Don.
Good morning.
Good morning. You know what? He's Don Tall. Good man.
Thank you, thank you.
Woo. I have to stand up. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Brother. Woo. Woo. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so, ay, dito tayo. Pasensya. Sorry. Okay. Naman. Wow. It's masaya pagka marami akong friends. Yeah.
Idol ko to sa Iron Man eh.
Ah. Ay siya ka na, amoy pawis ako. Amoy bakal.
Thank you, thank
Thank you very much, brother. Okay, see you. I hope you watch my channel. Oh, this is my channel. By the way. These are my friends. Yes. Why are you?
Oh, very cute.
Alright. Here's my friend. You gotta take a closer.
Wow.
And this one. Woo. Okay. Yan ang mga friends natin. Yan ang mga dogs. This one also. Okay. Woo. So marami tayong kaibigan, bikers, joggers, pati mga pet dogs. Kaibigan natin dito sa Ayala Car Free. Okay, woo! Napakasaya. Marami tayong friends here. Ayala Car Free. Okay, it's a lucky day for us. Andito ang ating kaibigan, Madam Photography! Good morning!
Good morning. Sunday morning. It's a Sunday grind. Good morning, everyone.
Wow! You see
Ayan,
that?
shoutout sa ating Iron Man ng Pinas. Follow and like, subscribe sa YouTube niya, guys. Just keep on watching all the uploaded videos.
Wow, beautiful Sunday having here in
Iron Man of the Pinas.
Madam Photography. Beautiful! Woo!
Si idol ko.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Baka idol ko yan.
Ay, video pala.
Lance Vlog. Lance Vlog here in Ayala.
So, yan ang kaibigan natin.
Malabas ka ng...
Madam Photography! Thank you very much!
Bye, everyone!
Bye!
Shout out! God bless!
God bless! Okay. Okay. Yan ang kaibigan natin. Madam Photography! Can I have a video also? With you?
Hi! Sige.
Okay.
White type talaga? Ay, hindi. Isa, igaganong ko sa'yo.
Okay, this is my friend. Wow, it's a beautiful Sunday. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nahuli rin kita, Iron Kid. Andito ka saan pala?
Hello po, Lolo Tony. Hello po. Say hello. Hi. Hi. Say
Okay, okay, okay. Wow! Nagkita kami ni Iron Kid. Ito ang original Iron Kid. Kasi pareho kami ng birthday. Pinanganak siya. Nagsimula din si Iron Man. Ah!
Good morning.
Yes. Mami Kim!
Ito, picture!
Nahun. Sakto. This is ayaw, sa akin lang.
Nakatingin dun sa
Sa akin lang
Iron Man
nakatingin
eh.
yan. So, dito aking pamangkin. Si Joaquin! Good morning, Joaquin! This is Iron Kid! Close up, close up.
Hi mo, hi!
Nahuli rin kita, Joaquin.
Say
Matagal kita iniintay.
Hi! Antok na eh.
Sakto. Okay.
Yun na yun! Yun na yun!
Tingin ka dun. Nakatingin lang talaga siya kaya.
Hawakan eh.
Hawakan madali. Tagalin mo yung mask.
Huwag ka maingay ha. Huwag mo sasabihin tito mo ako ha. Secret lang natin, okay ha.
Tagalin mo.
Okay, sino ang kasama niya? Okay lang. Okay. Kaya nga. So that's it. Naliligo muna tayo. Woo! Dito na tayo maliligo. Okay. Naligo na si Iron Man. Okay, ito yung mga friends natin dito sa Ayala Triangle. His brother.
Hello po! Padaan lang with Iron Man. Hello po!
Hello.
Hello vlog!
Woo! Okay, thank you very much, friend. Okay.
Thank you sir! Yeah.
Right. Woo! Thank you. Yan ang napakasayang Sunday morning natin dito sa Ayala Car Free. Woo! Napakaraming kaibigan at ating na-meet. Woo! At napakasaya talaga. So see you again next Sunday with Iron Man with the capital A. Okay, thank you very much. Woo!
Wait.
Hi friend,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. By the way, what's your
Okay.
friend? He's my friend from
Yes.
what country?
Brazil.
Wow!
Yes.
Brazil! I've
Yes.
got so many friends in Brazil. you
Yes.
know? Yeah.
Yes. Angola. And Angola, Brazil.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. What is your name?
I am Iron Man. I'm capital A Y R O N M. Just like this one.
Okay.
Take a picture.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
my channel.
Okay.
I hope you
Okay.
watch. I hope you watch my channel in
Okay.
Brazil.
But yes.
Yeah, I have so many friends in Brazil.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
So
brother.
much.
Ah,
Yes,
woo,
my
this is
friend.
my friend.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Have a nice day here in Philippines. You are my friend. That's my friend from Brazil. Woo! Thank you! Okay, nandito pala tayo sa Buendia, Makati at uwi na tayo sa ating napakagandang garden. Bye.